Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be playing with some new makeup. I didn't mention any of this in Tuesday's upload, which is my massive drugstore haul. If you want to watch that, it's going to be down below in the description box, because I already knew we were going to do this, the upload after that. So I didn't really mention it in that video because it's here now, girl. So if you didn't know, Beauty Creations came out with a collection with the Murillo twins. I'll have a insert of their Instagram page. We're really advertising this quite a bit. Their packaging as well as the formula definitely are way better than they were before, in my opinion. And also have a screenshot of collection on their website. We have the palette here. This one here is the Brittany palette. We're going to be playing with this today on the eyes. We're using the Brianna Lashes. I also picked up the Quad Goals palette, really beautiful, really excited about this. Also purchased the Duo lip product. It comes with a lip liner and some kind of lip product. This one is the Brianna one. So we're going to be playing with all of these products today. So if that interests you, just keep on watching. And don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video, if you like it. And we're going to get right into it. I just remembered I didn't give you guys a close-up look at this look in the outro. I just thought about that now, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little up closey look at that. So if you want to see how this look came about, everything that I used, what I thought about it, are they worth it or are they not, just keep on watching. The video is gonna start right now. As you saw from the intro, this is how the little sleeve looks. It's really cute. And this is the palette. So these are the Murillo twins, I believe that's how you say it. I got the one in Brittany. This has more colorful tones. There's also another palette that has more neutral tones. Comes with a mirror, and these are the shades you get in the palette. It's really beautiful. You get many finishes in here, and let me give you guys a really close-up look at the shades. They're really nice. And yeah, this is definitely the one that I wanted. It definitely contains a lot of colorful tones, which is why I wanted it, whereas the other one is more everyday. So if that's your thing, you're probably gonna enjoy the other palette. But this is gorgeous. I actually also swatched them on my hand. So those are the swatches there. Really gorgeous, really pigmented. You also get a glitter, which I noticed is rather thin. It's not as thick as some of the other glitters I've seen these couple videos. So that's gonna be fun. I don't think I'm gonna dip into the glitter today. You guys know how I feel about those, but we are gonna do, I'm thinking, a bluish kind of purpley eye. Right, so first I'm dipping into the shade Unbothered, which is that light purple matte. I'm loving that we get matte purples in this palette. It's so rare to find a formula of like purple eyeshadow that's good. And you guys know I'm half and half with the Beauty Creations formula. Sometimes they're really good, sometimes they're not. We've talked about those before. I've actually done a Beauty Creations roundup where I talk about all their eyeshadows and face products and stuff. You guys know how I feel about their foundation. It's amazing. Yeah, but some of their eyeshadows are pretty hit or miss. So hopefully we got a good palette here. Now I'm dipping into that dark blue matte shade. It actually does contain shimmers in the pan, but once you put it on the eye, it's matte and it's really nice. And that's the shade Drip in the palette. Oh, that's really nice. It's packing on nicely. It's pigmented. It's not leaving any weird patches, which is what I usually get from the Beauty Creations palette. So I have to say I'm really enjoying this so far. And it's like packing on nicely as well. I'm just taking that light purple shade again, and I'm just blending out the blue, and it's working really nicely. All right, so I'm gonna take the shade Toxic, which is a purple shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the inner portion of the eye. Really interesting, these shimmers in this palette feel like a cream almost. They're so like, they're pigmented, they're rather thick. But I feel like it's gonna work really well. It's gonna look beautiful on the lid. Now I'm gonna dip into the blue shimmer, which is Pisces, and I'm gonna throw it next to that purple shade. All right, so like I mentioned, these shimmers feel more like of a cream formula. They are pretty thick. So what I want to say, if you don't like when your shadow looks like crunchy, kind of textured on the lid, you're not going to enjoy this palette, because that's what I'm getting. And honestly, I love that look on the lid. I know a lot of people that don't. So if that's you, I would say skip out on this palette, because once you pack them on, they do become kind of like textured on the lid. It kind of shows all of your little lines and crevices on the lid. I know a lot of people don't like that, so I want to mention that now before I forget. But yeah, I really enjoy that look, but I know, you know, I've heard a lot of people don't. So just want to throw that out there in case you're like interested in the collection but you don't like that type of formula. It isn't like a light formula. The shimmers are pretty chunky, but they're nice on the lid. Like, I really am enjoying how this is coming out. Okay, so the reason I'm throwing it like this, just messily, I am going to clean it up. We are going to blend that blue out as well, but I am going to go in with a shimmer liner, and I'm thinking we're going to do some kind of graphic liner look. So I do want to throw it out here just so when we clean it up, it's going to look really crisp and sharp. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Second Love Cosmetics Metal Effect liner, and this one is in blue. I've been saying I've been wanting to try this, so that's why we did a blue look. It's a really gorgeous liner. Let me just show you, like, it's a beautiful shade. So we're going to try to do some kind of graphic liner and trace that cut crease and just bring it out into the outside of the eye, so we can make it look kind of like a cat eye. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Taking my Artista liner, I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing. Okay, so we're not done yet. I'm gonna add the AOA Studio Starlit liner over top the Artista liner, just a little bit, why not? So I could get use out of it. Okay guys, so that is what we have so far with these shadows. This is definitely a lot of work. I haven't done these types of looks in a while, but I really wanted to test out this palette and I really wanted to play with blue today, so that's what we did, and I'm really excited. I'm really enjoying it so far. I think it's a really nice quality and it looks nice. Before we go in with lashes, I'm going to use my AOA Studio Wisp Enhancing Mascara in black. This is in my Shop My Stash, so we are using this, and this collection does come with lashes as well. Did purchase one pair. So the lashes that I got from the collection are the Brianna Lashes, so that is how the little box looks. It's adorable, and those are the lashes there. So wispy and dramatic, I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and we'll be back. All right, so I am back. I'm wearing the lashes in Brianna. These are pretty nice. I did have to cut them because they were a little long, but I have to say they're really nice, really fluffy, definitely dramatic, and I'm really enjoying these lashes here. They're really nice, really easy to throw on, and you know, they're good. There is another style also available. I have it on the screen. Also really cute, but these are the ones that called out to me, and I'm really glad that I picked them up because they're nice. Beauty Creations do have some really nice lashes. These here retail for $8 on their website. So I did throw on foundation, concealer, all of it, powder, and now we're gonna go in with another new product, and this is their Quad Goals, and that is the box there. And when you bring it out, it has the same packaging as the eyeshadow. Honestly, I'm living for this packaging. It is so cute, and I have to say they did a really great job with this collection, and this is just so cute. It comes with their faces on the inside and then the quad here, and we do not get a highlight in here. It's only blushes and contours, but I'm living for that. I love this. Really cute. You guys know how much I love quads and stuff. Just having an all-in-one kind of palette I really enjoy, so I'm really gonna use this a lot. We're gonna see how the formula is. So I'm gonna mix both the contour bronzer colors as well as the blushes. I'm just gonna mix them together because I think that's just how I'm gonna use this product in general, but all of them are so pretty. I'm actually gonna swatch them for you. Ooh, they're really soft and pigmented. Nice. Okay, girl. These are really pretty. There are a couple of quick swatches of the palette. I think these shades are nice. They're pigmented, so let's try them on the face. They are rather pigmented, so I'm gonna dust that off and start applying it on the cheekbones. These are pigmented though, so be careful if you have like fair skin. This palette only comes in one variation, so I think it's good that it's pigmented because that way it could kind of work for a lot of skin tones. Right, so that is the bronzers in here. I just mixed both of them as I mentioned. They're really nice. I definitely have to go over it with a powder brush, but honestly it goes really well with my skin tone. I really enjoy that, and it's not like pulling orange or anything. It worked so nicely, and they're so pigmented. I didn't need a lot of product, so I'm really enjoying this so far. We're gonna throw on the blushes as well. Oh my god, but they're really nice. Okay, dipping into the blushes. These are also so pretty. Oh, you guys know how much I love blush. These are nice. I'm loving this. They're so pretty. It's definitely pulling more of the pink blush that's in there, but oh my god, I love. Already I'm in love with this palette. I love it's pigmented, it's blendable, and it's showing up on the face. So far so good. I'm really enjoying this. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on highlight because this doesn't contain a highlight, and then we're gonna throw on their lip product, which I'm really excited about. All right, so highlight is on. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on their lip product. This is called their, well, it's like a lip duo. You can either get one that has a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, or you can get one that has a lip liner and a lipstick, like bullet lipstick, and that's the one that I have here. So I got the one in Brianna, and this is so cute. So it comes with a lip liner, which I love. This packaging is so cute, and let me give it a swatch for you. So that is it there. It already broke. No, broke. Okay, it's not retractable, so I'm guessing I might have to sharpen it. It broke, so I'd say be very careful when you're using this product. It comes with a lipstick, and that is how that looks. It looks really adorable, and we do get like her name here. It's really cute. You get like the logo there, and that's how the lipstick looks. It's really cute. Definitely more of a everyday kind of lip, and it's more of a peachy tone. So I think it's gonna go really well with today's look. And it smells really good as well. So I think those paired nicely. I'm also gonna add my own gloss, but so far the lipstick is really nice. I'm kind of sad that the liner broke, but yeah, it looks good. I really like the combination of both. For lip gloss, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Beauty Treats Glitter Lip Topper. This one here is in 05. Okay guys, so that is the lip. I'm loving it with the gloss, and it goes really well with our eyeshadow look today. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face using my Beauty Treats Rosewater Facial Spray, and then we're gonna talk about everything. Is it worth it? Is it not? All of the new products from Beauty Creations, and we're gonna end it. Okay, so that is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. So let's talk about the palette first. This is the Brianna palette. It's really gorgeous. I love the packaging. It feels high-end, honestly. This palette here retails for $17. All of this collection is still available on their website. I think I did a really great decision choosing the more colorful tones. I really enjoyed how they blended. They went on nicely. The shimmers are gorgeous. Again, they're more of a chunky kind of formula, so keep that in mind. If you're not into that, then definitely skip out on it. But honestly, I'm really impressed. They definitely stepped it up with the packaging and the formula. You can definitely tell that their eyeshadow palettes are very hit or miss, so I'm really excited that they stepped up their game. The color selection is gorgeous. I really love all the tones in here. They're really beautiful. They're pigmented. It comes with the glitter if you're into that, and it's really inexpensive, so you're not breaking the bank for a nice palette. The formulation is also really good, so this is definitely something that impressed me today, and I'm really excited, and I'm happy that I picked up. Same thing goes for the face palette. This here retails for $14. I'm really happy that I picked it up. It doesn't come with a mirror, but the shades on the inside are pigmented, they're blendable, and they show up on my skin. So I really love both the palettes. I like the eyeshadow palette, and I really love the face palette as well. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of all of the tones in here, so I'm really happy that I decided to pick this up. And the packaging is just so cute as well. The lashes as well, I'm really excited to have chosen these and in this style. They're really nice. They retail for $8. You're not breaking the bank. They have a really great lash selection on their website. They have so many lashes on there, and they're really inexpensive. They're really beautiful. They also have a mystery lash box, which I really enjoy. So if you like lashes, definitely check them out if you want to see them. They're really nice. Again, I had to cut them because they were just a little long, but I feel like the quality feels really nice. I feel like they're gonna last last me a long time, and I'm really happy that I chose this style here because they're nice. And the last products are the lip products. I'm not happy that this broke because now I'm gonna have to sharpen it, and usually once you start sharpening, and if it's like a bad kind of quality, it's just gonna keep going and going. It's not gonna be the same from how it was in the beginning. So I'm sad that it broke, but it's a beautiful shade. So I'm happy that I got this duo because it comes with the lipstick. The lipstick worked really nice. It's definitely more of a peachy tone. It went on nice, it smells good, it's pigmented, so I'm really excited about this. I'm just sad about the liner. The lip duo did retail for $12, so I'd say skip out on the lip duo or get the liquid lipstick one. I don't know, they're cute. It's like it's an product. I would definitely say save up for the face palette and the eyeshadow palette. Those are really nice, but maybe skip out on the lip products. They're not that amazing. I had a really great experience with the formula, and they're nice, just not something that I really recommend you go out and buy. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that we talked about on the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. This is a QR code. You are able to scan it on Instagram, and it just finds my page a little quicker. It's just more convenient, so you just screenshot the video here, scan it, and it should find my page really fast. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.